there, I'm Akila B, and I'll be doing a following a Mark Crilley tutorial today. So I've had a sketchbook for years and I don't really have anything in it, but I do love Mark Crilley. As you can see, over the years it's smudged. Did this back in 2015, and these Chibis. Man, I love this picture so much. Basically, I wanted it to be like the maid was laughing at him and she was like shocked at the fact that he's embarrassed that she's laughing at him. And I did this all the way back in 2015. And then this mermaid. (2015) from Mark Crilley. Then I drew this. Long story short, I love Mark Crilley, so I'm going to be following one of his tutorials today. So stay tuned for that. So, Mark Crilley always has his signature drawing tools, but I'll just be using the H from this pack. 12. Really good. But I do have a black Prismacolor. Thankfully, been through a lot. So I'll be doing the winking Chibi peace sign. Okay, so I'm gonna get started with the winking Chibi drawing. He has two circles. Maybe I should have done a bit more measuring. Now this should be fine. Maybe it's too high up. No wonder he used old man time lapse so often. Yeah, circle. Good enough circle. Remember to never forget the blushies. So for me, I haven't drawn anything in a long time, and the hardest part of this drawing was using the black Prismacolor pencil. Mark is truly a master of his craft. He makes line work look so simple and effortless. I've been watching his videos for years, and I've always wanted to do more of his drawings, but I never had the time. Now, I'm going to make time, because you can't expect to get better at something without practicing, and I really want to improve my own skills. able to make a carbon copy of the original, but I'm okay with how it turned out. He's inspired me for many years. I love his easy to follow tutorials as well as his advice videos. I also have a soft spot for old man time-lapse. I know a lot of people don't really like him, but personally, I think he's a sweet and kooky old fella who deserves more respect. But that's just my own opinion. At the end of each video, he always shows off the books he's written. I've wanted to read Mickey Falls for so long, as well as his how to draw books. They all look so cool, and I've wanted his books for years. Maybe one day I'll be fortunate enough to get my hands on one. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out Mark Crilley's channel, like and subscribe, and in the words of the master, I'll be back with another one real soon.